Hello, I am Nilesh, and today's topic is the globalization. So, let's start the globalization. Firstly, we'll start with what is a globalization. The globalization is the spread product, technology, information, and job across national borders and culture. In economic term, it describes a interdependence of nation around the global fostered through free trade. It means the globalization. And in that, the key takeaway of a globalization, in that first is a globalization is the spread of product, technology, information and job across nation. Second, corporation in developed nation can gain competitive edge through globalization. Developing country also benefit through globalization as they tend to be a more cost effective and therefore attract job. Third, the benefits of globalization have been questioned as the positive effects are not necessarily distributed equally. And fourth, fifth is one clear result of globalization is that an economic downturn in one country can create a domino effect through its trade partner. And then understanding of globalization. The corporation gain a competitive advantages on multiple fronts through globalization. They can reduce operating cost by manufacturing abroad, by raw material more cheaply because of the reduction of or removal of traffic tariffs, and most of all they gain access to millions of new consumers. And globalization is a cultural, political, and legal phenomena. In that first is a socially it leads to a greater interaction among various population. Culturally, globalization represents the exchange of idea, values, artistic expression among culture. Globalization also represents trend toward the development of single world culture. Politically, globalization has shifted attention to intergovernmental organizations like United Nations and the World Trade Organization, that is WTO. Legally, globalization has altered how international law is created and enforced. And then, on one hand, globalization has created new jobs and economic growth through cross border flow of goods, capital, and labor. On the other hand, this growth and job creation are not distributed evenly across industry or countries. Specific industry in certain countries such as textile manufacturing in US or corn farming in Mexico have suffered severe disruption or outright collapse as a result of increased international competition. Globalization motives are idealistic as well as opportunistic, but the development of a global free market has been benefited large corporations based in the Western world. It is its impact remain mixed for worker, cultures, and small business around the globe in both developed and emerging nations. That's all about the globalization. Thank you.